Hello, greetings, my friends. It's 11:01, 2023, 11th, 11, 1, portal. Well, I dreamt today. I want to make a note to all my feathered winged spirit animal friends that I dreamt and I saw a falcon tonight, in my dream. It was a brown winged falcon standing on the window with a big tail. It was very grandiose, very regal. And now, actually, come to think about it, it does look like the symbol of Horus, that falcon. And I told my son, my younger son, and I said, "Look at the falcon on the window." And he went, and he turned into a green parrot, a huge green parrot. So I'm just wondering what the green parrot means, and I have a feeling it's very associated with Hindu mythology because my son is very associated, his karmic lineage, with India. I dreamt him as a Raj living in India. So strange, no idea what this means, but dreams are very strange, and I think there is much more to life than what it seems. So with that, wishing you witches, and wizards a very magical and mysterious and cosmic 111. Peace.